Next, light sources for street light. So lighting on curves. मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं, I have taken an example of which example we have taken? Marine Drive. So Marine Drive during night. We can see so this is a curve. This is a curve road. The lighting exactly here is more good picture is there during night hours. Marine Drive during night hours. You can see the lighting scheme over there. So curved arrangement, what we have? This is curved arrangement. So lighting on curves. For uniform illumination, it is necessary to place luminaries on the outside of the curve, and spacing should be reduced progressively as the radius of the curve increases. So the staggered arrangement should be avoided in such cases. Okay. So this is an example you can see, especially for curve. मला जे चित्र पाहिजे ते मला दिसत नाही काय नाही. Best view is there also. You can search out provision of curve lighting. It is good example. एक थोडं ठीक आहे. मोठा रोड असल्यामुळे सेंटर it is provision is on divider itself. Okay. Okay, this you can see. Okay, the provision. Now here you are having this space. त्या बाजूने झाड आहे, trees are there. Footpath is there. This side also you are having the trees. So arrangement is centrally it is done. त्याला आपण diamond necklace असं म्हणतो. You can see that. Okay. This is an example of curve with a staggered arrangement. You cannot do like this. जर तो रोड छोटा असेल तर you can have arrangement like this. हा आता खूप मोठा रोड आहे, that is different. But if you have a small width of the road, then you can have number of lights. इथे आता तुम्ही you cannot go for exactly the spacing as per the standard. You have to increase the number of lamps. The arrangement is staggered. One side you are having 3 lamps, these 2 lamps. Okay, so you have increased here the number of lamps. So that you should consider. And again, as per the design, you have to measure the actual illuminance at that particular place. And if it is less, then you have to increase the number of lights. Okay. Any doubt? So lighting at intersections. Intersections means you are having this intersections. Intersections म्हणजे तुमचे चौक नाही का. Intersections of light load will be unlighted. If you put it unlighted, definitely you will have the problem. So intersection of two light loads crossing. In such cases, luminaries should never be placed at center of the crossing. इथे आता इथे तुम्हाला काय नॉर्मली आता रोड particularly if you have a big circle then that is different, and just crossing then that is different. Okay, so if it is just crossing, you should not put any lamp post over here in at center. At intersection, lighting has to be performed two functions. What? To indicate the existence of junction to the driver. म्हणजे इथे कुठेतरी क्रॉसिंग आहे, जंक्शन आहे, that is to be indicated, that is to be identified. So you are having lamp post here, 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 and here. You are having the lamp post provided 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you will able to understand the driver will able to understand the junction. To indicate the presence of obstacle entering from the side of the road. म्हणजे इथे तुम्हाला इकडनं तुम्ही जातात तर इकडनं जर opposite you may have the traffic provided, that you can see the obstacle, that may be the obstacle. Then pedestrian crossing is also there at this particular place, so you must have this provision of light. So this particularly from this particular point at 20 meter, from this particular point at 15 meter, so like this you can have the provision. So at T junction also you have to do same. This is T junction. 1, 2 हा T आहे. T म्हणजे काय, एक सरळ रोड जातोय आणि इथे फक्त पाथ आहे. 1, 2 and 3 these lamp posts are provided. These 3 lamp posts are provided. Okay. So this is again a part of design. These are the guidelines. These are the standard laid down. While designing the system, you must see the pictures. So you may have the pictures are available. Let us see crossing. These are some examples. Here you can see, here it is diversion of road. Okay. इथे तुमचं हे आहे काय, पेडेस्ट्रियल क्रॉसिंग आहे. म्हणजे इथे तुम्हाला पादचारी मार्ग म्हणतो आपण त्याला, झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग. तर इथे लॅम्प पोस्ट प्रोव्हाइड केला, इथे लॅम्प पोस्ट प्रोव्हाइड केला, लक्षात घ्या. दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. हिअर इट इज पेडेस्ट्रियल क्रॉसिंग. सो लॅम्प इज प्रोव्हाइडेड, लॅम्प इज प्रोव्हाइडेड. Then you are having this pedestrian crossing. Street light lamp is provided. It is just pedestrian crossing is there. इथे हे नाही आहे, क्रॉसिंग नाही, म्हणजे पेडेस्ट्रियल क्रॉसिंग आहे, तुमचं जंक्शन नाही. इथे प्रोव्हिजन केलेले नाही आहे. This is also another picture. Okay, so the provision of lamps, you can see. So various figures you can see, various diagrams you can see at crossing. So here you are having the big circle, big crossing. So सगळ्या बाजूने तुम्हाला दिसेल. Okay. So this is actually the LED. Now we are having LED. We are not going for sodium vapor. Sodium vapor. This is sodium vapor lamp. AG light. This is sodium vapor lamp. This is sodium vapor. This is mercury. This is sodium vapor. The yellow yellow lights, normally we are having sodium vapor lamps. Like this. So try to understand the facts and figures, and accordingly you should go for the design. Illumination of road junctions, locations of columns of food. Your column easily road junctions. Road junction T, road junction, broad roads. Broad roads are just we have seen. There are provision 1, 2, 3 lamps are provided. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. हे डॉट दिसतात ना तुम्हाला? हे डॉट दिसतात? These are the lamps provided. आणि तेच मी इकडे तुम्हाला चित्रांमध्ये दाखवतो. काही ठिकाणी इथे आता दाखवलं, समजा हा पोस्ट दाखवला, इथे आपण कसं दाखवलं त्याला? जस्ट डॉट. सो T1, 2, 3 रोड जंक्शन 1, 2, 3, 4 these are the lamps provided. मोठा जर रोड असेल तर इथे डिवायडर आहे, तुम्हाला इथे मध्ये प्रोव्हाइड केलाय डिवायडर्स. यू आर हॅव्हिंग डिवायडर्स. इथे जर अजून मोठा रोड असेल, इफ यू हॅव सर्कल, तर इथे हाय मास्क एक लावलेला असतो किंवा त्याला आपण फ्लड लाइटिंग म्हणतो. दॅट इज ऑल्सो प्रोव्हाइडेड. ओके, सो ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड दिस थिंग्स. You can have multiple examples. Can have. Okay. Smart LED. Lot of solutions are there for you. लक्षात घ्या. There is not one particular design. There is no one particular design. There is no any limited design. Brighter light जर गरज असेल तर, including zebra. More illuminance is required जरा गरज असेल तर. You may increase the high power LEDs. LED street light project. चायना मधला कुठला दिसतो? संचा. Bigger roads you can have. So like this you are having multiple. This is another type of lighting scheme that is provided. This is especially automatic, so you can have that this particular portion is get illuminated only where the pedestrians they are moving. This is additional provision इथे पण आहे, that you can see, particularly at zebra crossing. This you can have the provisions recently. So this is particularly automatic. When person enters over here, the light will actually operates. Lot of crosswalks and provisions are there. So there is a huge scope to learn more and more things. See, it is entirely depends on you. मला किती अभ्यास करायचा. Lot of crossings you can see.